Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Apollo IO account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Slack account to your Apollo IO? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Slack to your Apollo IO anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably working with a lot of different assistants or employees. And by connecting your Apollo IO to your Slack, every time there's a task in Apollo IO, you can alert your Slack members. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in Apollo IO. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Apollo IO, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Slack to Apollo IO, you're going to click on settings down here on the bottom left. It looks like a gear icon. All right, once you do that, this other menu is going to pop up here on the left, and you want to click on integrations. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the different integrations you can add, but you want to scroll down until you see Slack and then click on connect. Okay, so once you do that, Slack is going to open up the browser, and it's letting you know that Apollo IO is asking for permission to access your Slack account. Also, they let you know the information that's going to be allowed. So read through this, and if you're okay with that, go ahead and click on allow. Okay, a quick second later, Apollo IO refreshes. Now you can see that my Slack account is connected to my Apollo IO, and it confirms it right here below. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Slack account to your Apollo IO, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.